says Carl.
What in the world is that? I mean, they've never seen anything like it.
Hello, it's Leslie from Denwerks Vintage Cars, and I'm going to do a video on this 1971 Ford F250 Sport Custom Camper Special truck. Really neat little truck here. It was originally sold at Joe Burns Ford in Portland, Oregon. Has a 360 motor in it, Wimbledon white with blue vinyl interior. Pretty original old truck. We did quite a little list of mechanical items to it that are listed in the write-up, so I won't bore you with all those details now, but I'm going to do an exterior, interior, and under the hood walk around so that you can just kind of see the truck from different perspectives. So mostly I'll be quiet, but I'll just kind of give you a good view, and we'll get going. This is Mr. Meaty, by the way. That's his nickname. This truck drives really great. It's warm and in the summer right now, but it starts right up and cruises down the road. Talked about this in the write-up, but here's some of that rust that we talked about. The previous owner's uncle was attempting to help, and he put a lot of silicone up here. So we cleaned it up as much as we could, and we did want to see what the rust looked like. So I think that gives you a good view of what's behind it. Here's the door tag. And then I'll hop in the bed in a minute so that you can see the top of the cab as well. All the gauges work. Could use new window felts. Here's the door. Then there's some opportunities here if you wanted to fix it up or just drive it and have fun. Sold one of these little bump sides to some customers. It was a 70, and we heard from the customer about a year later And it was a similar truck to this, condition wise, and they love it. They use it for their summer adventures, and they told us that they call it the F-bomb, because it's just their bomb around truck, and so they've had a really good time. It's got this Kelsey Hayes trailer brake in it. Oh, and then the floor mat's in great shape. Really hard to tell because of the color. I tried to get good photos of the headliner. It's in great shape. There's no rips or tears that I can see, but you can't see it's a little bit warped. You can see my hand pushing up on it. It's not terrible. It's actually one of the better headliners that I've seen. Again, that white color just, it's really hard to pick up than that. The truck did run and drive when we got it. It just needed some maintenance items, so that's what we did. Was just kind of some of the general stuff to make sure that it was running its best, and I'm pleased with how it turned out. Come up here and show you the bed. Let's look at the top of the cab. You can see the back window gaskets worn. It's not leaking or anything. Here's your drip rails. And the bed itself is pretty straight. It's got its surface rest back here, but I mean, all in all, pretty good shape. I do love the patina on this truck too. It came with the tool stowage box. Oh, inside the AM radio does work. I was only able to get static. Partially could be because of where we live, but it did make me wonder how many radio stations would come in. We do live pretty rural, so sometimes it is difficult for us to get radio, but with an AM, I would have thought I would have got more. So just to be aware. And then here's the other side underneath. This old truck's got a lot of life left in it. Here's passenger side. Then this is the other spot of rust that we pointed out. in the auction so you can just see compared to my finger. Glove box. I'm going to pause this for a second and open the hood, and we'll take a look under there at the 360. All right, under the hood. .360 motor. It's got the Ford valve covers on it. There's your jack. We did, among other things, we did put an aluminum radiator in it. All right, there you go. Good look at Mr. Meaty. Hope that helps. And feel free to ask questions on the auction. You can come see the truck in person. You can send an inspector. Ask comments. Use contact seller option. We're happy to help. And thank you for checking out this truck and enjoying these old Fords along with us. We really love them. Take care.